Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 7, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, find the content that you wish to capture. For me, I'm just going to use the home screen as an example, but you can open up any kind of other application, and as long as it's open on a screen, you will be able to capture it. So once you have it open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. You'll see this animation, and a tiny little image that you have captured will be in the corner there, and soon it will disappear, but it can be found in your photo gallery. So if you go in here, stop on allow, got it. Now let's go to albums, and you'll see that there is an album called Screenshots. When you go in there, you'll find the screenshot that you have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.